Hi, I built my first PC, and yes, it was to play a game. And by the way, this is not a tutorial, this is just me recording myself building my first PC. But the video I used to guide me through this build is tech source, and I will link them below because it helped me. And the video is also a recent video from 2 months ago, so it's really updated. I'll let you guys watch and I will be popping in from time to time. Installing the CPU had to be one of the hardest parts of this build, just because with this one you have to screw it a little bit at a time around the edge. So I did that a few times, but I guess sometimes I was screwing it a little bit too much. So I feel like this was what gave me the most trouble, or where I spent the most time at. I tested the PC before putting it in the box, and I'm glad that I followed the directions and did that, because the memory cards were not secured, so the PC didn't come on, and I would have had to take it, well, I guess not take it out the case, but try to figure out what was wrong with it inside the case after I've screwed everything in and connected all of the cords. back. I'm not sure why I didn't lay the PC down, but that would have just been so much easier than unscrewing things like this. And also I put the graphics card in this way, and it would have just been easier laying it down. And I also tried to put the case back together standing up, which also didn't work. So the camera setting made the fan look like it was spinning slow, but it was spinning at normal speed. But I am satisfied with my investment, and I had such an amazing time playing my game. Well, I'm having such an amazing time playing my Sims, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.